Hey everyone, welcome to Mongrels Garage. So the question is, which one of these am I going to be driving at the No Name Nationals? And who am I going to be calling out? Stay tuned, I'll let you know. So, will it be our turbocharged Cadillac ATS, which we got some new parts for? No, it's not gonna be ready yet. Or perhaps our 38 Pontiac, which we'll be getting a Hemi swap. Oh, here he comes again. Hey you, yeah, I'm talking to you. Get out of here. Or perhaps we'll use pure Pontiac power. It's a little tight to get in on this side. Oh, nice to be back. All right, hello, Honda Fathers. Here we go. That's what you call slinging mud. That would be tempting, but no, it's not going to be making the trip down there. Let's go find maybe something else. Perhaps an Opar. No, this one's not going to be ready. Let's go find something else. Hey, here's a nice Mopar. Kind of boring though. It is my daily driver. More than capable. The all-wheel drive would help, but let's go find something else. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mongrel, didn't you just get that Mach 1 running pretty good? Perhaps you're taking that. Well, let's see if it still runs decent. Oh, sounds good. But no, we're not taking this. But we are getting warmer because I am driving a Mustang. Which Mustang will I be driving? Well, that would be this one.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit.
That comes courtesy of our good friend Bigblock 402. And if you haven't already checked out his channel, make sure you do so. He's got some awesome content, and that truck of his will be there too. And it's got a fresh engine in it. So will he blow it up or will he dominate? Only one way to find out. Tune in and check out No Name Nationals. Now, as for the call out, we're going to call out DIY Hemi. Yeah, Blake, and I'm calling you out. Let's have a race, guys. Now, I got a lot of respect for you guys, but the way I figure it, if I can't win, which I plan on doing, at least I'll be losing to a Hemi. So, if you haven't already checked out DIY Hemi, folks, go check them out. Those guys are awesome, fantastic, and hit them up for your Hemi swap needs because they know what they're talking about. They're the ones that help me out. So, see you at the No Name Nationals. I hope you accept my challenge.